Y'all can hear me? Alright, I think now we good to go. What's up, everybody? Let's finally. Oh my god, bro. That was fucking pain in the butt, dog. Holy shit. Let me run in Discord, y'all. At everyone. I'm live. Join. Let's go, man. Finally. Finally, that got fixed. Finally. Oh my days, bro. That was tough. Let me see if the mic and everything's good. Let me check. This new layout, bro, is just crazy. Gonna go with this microphone. Okay. We good. I think we good. Hey, what's up? What's up, man? Can you guys hear me? Is everything good or not? Is Wi-Fi good or not? Let me know, because I'm trying a new VPN just to be able to connect to... Oh, man, just to be able to connect to OBS. So let me go ahead and play with the settings, because I have to change that in a minute. Let me go play with the output. We're gonna take it to 6K. So, you know what? We're gonna do 6K here. We're gonna do 5. Apply. So we can allow more bitrate to go into OBS. Okay. All right. Beautiful. Is everything good? Oh man, I missed YouTube, bro. I swear to God. I missed streaming, bro. Yesterday I wanted to stream, but I was only able to do it on Discord, man. And by the way, I can see the chat on what's it called on OBS, but I cannot see the chat on YouTube. Like, what the fuck is wrong with y'all? What's wrong? Let me make sure if this stream is working good. And I gotta play with a lot of parameters, bro. Let me go to settings. Good. All right. If it's good, that's perfect. So I gotta go to video. Oh man, I cannot change that. Okay, I gotta change this one. And I gotta change that. We gotta do 60 frames per second. All right. Finally, the whole issue, bro, was because of my VPN. I got a new VPN. So I had to switch back to the old one to be able to connect it to OBS. But hopefully the new VPN works because it's a lot better. It's a lot better, bro. I got a 500 megabyte speed. And when I use my current, like the VPN that I'm using right now, if I go to speed test, it gives me like 40 MB. But like with the other VPN, it gives me like 350. So it's a lot better. But it doesn't connect with OBS. So oh man, it's good to see y'all back. And there's literally, look at that. There are no scenes. There's no starting soon. There's nothing. There are no background music, so I still have to figure out all this shit. Let me close this chat. Okay. Yeah. So I gotta do that all again on this one. So it's good to see y'all. Let me see. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys. We got 20 viewers, 3 likes. So hit the thumbs up, guys. Let me see. Hey, what's up, yo? I had a quick QN. What's that? I don't know what's the QN. Sup? Good. Hi. Good. What's up? All good. I know you spoke about it a couple of times, but I want to ask you to why you choose the asset that sweeps, bro. Because it sweeps. That's why. Because if it's gonna reverse, it's gonna reverse from the high. That's it. If there are 2 assets, like this one must reverse. This one must reverse because it took out the relevant high. There's nothing really to kind of reverse off of other than the high itself. So that's why I go with the high that sweeps. All right. From the get-go, ideally, I want to see continuations back into the current high of day. If you guys really look, the 4-hour, what do we have? A gap. Again, I'm just trying to frame the, what is it called? Continuation 1800. We'll lift the gap. We have this SMT here. So since I'm trading reversal, I'll have to wait for an hourly swing here to form, or the 90-minute. But the 90-minute already closed there, and we kind of traded below it. So I'll wait for the hourly swing. If this hourly swing forms, I'm just gonna go ahead and take longs into the current high of day. That would be really the play for me on, what is it called? On gold. فين صار؟ وش الدراري بخير؟ بس اخوين check. Wait guys, let me check on my phone if everything works good. I want to see if it's like just 720p. If it's 720p, the 930 stream will be a lot better. I'll set up the starting soon. Everything. I'll get it all sorted out. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me check on my phone how it works. Let me check. And we need the background music, so we need a lot of things for the time being, but let's just get it. Let me check. Let me check the delay, if there's like a delay or not.
Hey, Fundy. I've got stress, snacks, and no
Okay,
patience.
we go to, let me see.
Let me check on my phone how it works.
Okay, we have like
Shit,
around
we need the backup
20 seconds
graphics for
delay.
the
Okay,
that's what it's
and the
on.
quality is just 720. Okay, so I gotta advance. Yeah, there's no 1080p. Okay, so the next stream we're gonna do 1080p, 60 frames per second, and also I'll minimize the delay. I'll do low latency because with the current VPN I guess I can. If that current VPN doesn't work, so we'll have to switch back to the old one. Yeah. So let's go to indices. I'm not touching that shit. I'm not touching that shit. Um, YMES NQ. So I'm not really gonna be touching indices here for today. NQ looks a little bit clean. We kind of like should have below these lows here, but yeah, I'll just be sticking to um yeah, I'll be sticking to gold and silver. That's really what I was sticking to. I'm just trying to align myself within that daily candle, even though like it's an inside bar, but the 6 hour kind of printed, and then we have this gap here. This candle still supports expansion, so we have this gap, which is the new invalidation level. If price wants to continue higher, this is the only area we'll do it from. So that's what we'll be doing. And by the way, guys, I'll be streaming every day now. Like literally now, the OBS shit has been fixed. Literally on time every day, bro. Like if you guys check my YouTube history, bro, like it's just been um. Can you guys imagine? Look at that. Sign in, sign in, sign in, sign in, sign in, sign in. How to fix OBS filters? Like literally, this is what sign in. Look how many sign in that I did for OBS, and literally none of them works. None of them. Like it's been like this. This is how it's been. Like just look at that. Just Iceman. I was looking at StreamYard. I was like, you know what? Let me go. So for the past half an hour, this is literally what I've been doing. Just look at that. OBS like download and install, download and install, download. So that's why it took me longer. But thank God there's ChatGPT exists. I'm just like blah blah blah. He said, oh, it used to work. Now it doesn't work. What changed? That's not. And I was like, oh, maybe the VPN. Let me go try the new VPN. Boom, it works. So, hello, brother. M30 PSP on what? On which asset? On the M30 PSP. Is okay, all good. We can see candles though. Um. Do you guys want to stick around? We can stop the stream and start a new one. And we can if you guys have difficulties to see the stream and stuff like that, you guys let me know. I'll pause this stream and I'll go ahead and play with the settings for OBS. I'll update the bitrate and I'll also update the quality. I'll do the what is it called? Where is it? So I'll probably go with the bitrate. Let me try it right now. Let me go like 7500. You know what? I'll just keep it at 6K. Just keep it at 6K. So this one should push now to 6K. Let me see if it'll push to 6K now. Around. Okay, that's good. So for the video, we gotta do like 1080p and also 60 FPS. And I'm not okay. All right. So all good. All right. All good. All right. Let's see what's up. So as I said, for the time being, I'm just trying to really profile this for our candle to be a bullish candle. But if we fail to reverse from here, if we see signs of reversal, because we also have this C2 here, if you guys really pay attention with the SMT. But I'm not gonna get trapped just like I did on a Monday, because I took an L if you guys remember on Monday, and then price pushed to my TP. Literally here, this C2 was not really formed off of nothing. So since this now has a key level, which is the gap, and also the first stage cracking correlation, I would really prefer looking for longs. Also with this 1800, open low, new invalidation level, then continuation higher. That would be like an ideal sequence for me. And if we see fair to reverse, then I'll be trading into the current low day. And for the 30-minute, I'm not really sure what 30-minute PSP guys you mentioned. 30-minute PSP exchange. Okay, I guess. All right, let me check. Let me check Euro. Bearish. Nope. GPP. Bullish. But again, keep in mind, guys, this one starts at 6. Like Euro starts at. Okay, all good. You don't really like these PSPs that like barely close bullish or barely close bearish. So there might be just, especially with like forex.com. If you really go to, for example, XEU USD, between like 3 different liquidity providers. Let's see, forex.com, IC markets, and I don't know, like I don't remember the forex ones. But yeah, sometimes you'll see the candle closing in different ways. So like these such tiny closures do not really give me the confidence to be able to decide like, oh, this is a PSP, because this might be just some sort of like problem in pricing. For example, if we go to EURUSD, so there are a lot of like Owanda, FXEM, Forex.com, so a lot of liquidity providers. So sometimes when it's like this tiny, I cannot really trust it. I need like a bulky candle to show that, yeah, like even if there's some sort of problem in pricing, like it's still a valid PSP. So, but let's see the hourly closes. If not, then we're gonna anticipate that this gap is gonna fail, and we can trade back into like this current low, like this low here. with some sort of expansion, gap, and continuation. So that would be the case. Let me go to Brave here for a sec. Go to Brave here for a sec. Let me put this one here. All right. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. So that would be the case. For CL, I think CL is also interesting. Performing this gap, but again, the 4 hour I haven't really closed yet. The hourly, this one is clean. Like I don't really need like an hourly closure because I'm aligned with the daily. So I'll just wait for a C2, with some sort of cracking correlation, 1 stage or 2 stage, and I'll be able to take it. Which I think we have 1 stage here, but we have the SMT break here, so the SMT got broken really. So there's nothing really here to kind of trade into. But let's just wait. Let's just wait for a sec. Let me see the 15. No, I'm not really. 45. Okay, this 45 looks good. This closure, I like this closure here. We have kind of this SMT here between these two candles. If you guys really pay attention, let me go full screen mode here. Let me go full screen mode. If you guys really pay attention, this is each O, and we kind of have this SMT here with each O. If you guys really pay attention. So let's see what CL got to offer. I'm not really gonna touch it like right now. I need like a further confirmation, probably like another break to the upside, and then I'll see if we can take it. But for now, gold is a play for me. So we still got like 15 minutes for the hourly candle to close. So we just gotta wait and see. So let me go to Shabidel for all my Moroccan and Bazooka. Let me check if the screen desktop audio is gonna be played or not. So let me go to Bazooka. Yeah. So let me just go ahead and drop this. Go to boom. Rest in peace, my granny. She got my Bazooka. Do you guys know this song? I don't know if you guys know this song or not. Bro, it's been popping out on IG for the past 4 months. It's fucking crazy. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Kaboom. Kapla. I really love this, man. Once we kind of get this closure, now we're kind of retesting this auto block here that was kind of formed off of this tiny gap. Yeah, I really want to go for the current high day. Is this the current high of day? No, previous daily high. So yeah, so I'm interested in gold and also CL. Who that is? Who that was? That was Granny. I know what you want me to do. Kaboom, kabla. Yeah. That's true. Yeah, I think about it. And are you guys excited for May 15th? Do you guys know what's... I guess everybody knows what's going to happen on May 15th. Are you guys keeping up with what's going on with music industry? Who that is? Who that was? Iceman, so freeze. Iceman. Yeah. Bro. I'm super hyped for Iceman, man. Drake is my number one artist. Ah, man. User and password incorrect? What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm about to log into my funded futures, bro, and they say your password is not correct. And I did not type in a password. It was saved. So let me double check. No way. Alright, now it works. I was like shit, bro. What's wrong? Alright, all good. Now let me go to I'm down $200. Shit. Down $200. So let me go to kaboom. Kaplow. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. I don't like this candle here. I don't like this opposing candle. I don't like this closure. Kaboom. Kaplow. Rest in peace, my granny. So we have to wait for the new terminate candle because really this hourly candle doesn't really support expansion. And what I love about it is that we kind of shade it lower, sweep the highs. We can trade above a high now. See an retracement. I mean, this shit is good, bro. We're sitting around EQ. Let's really check RB2. Setting near the EQ, and this one is extreme premium. So we do have the SMT right here. Rest in peace, my granny. Okay. So we're waiting for two setup right now. Two setups. All right. Okay. That gold looks good, bro. Gold looks really good, bro. I like that we kind of presented a gap. Now we're kind of holding it. Like I would love to trade this this candle, but I can't. Fuck. I would love to trade like this CIC here, especially with the sweep of the gap. Yeah. Whenever you see sweep of the gap, you can kind of anticipate that price is gonna push higher, at least for the next high to the left, for example. Well, let's see a sweep of the gap. Look at this. Sweep of the gap, CIC. But again, you need to have some profile. Like now we kind of fail to displace it, put a highs, sweep the gap, then you can go to the lows or whatever. So it's such a strong thing, bro. I've been paying attention to it. It's crazy. Look at that. Chew, got swept, boom, continuation higher. So this is my favorite model. Either we sweep it low or we sweep the gap. That's perfect. That's my bread and butter right there. And that would be perfect. But again, the candle has already. So I'm not really kind of in a protected area. That's the only problem. So we might see like the new hourly candle, like you might push, then the new hourly candle might kind of rebalance this current range. Who the fuck is calling me, dog? Oh shit, man. Guys, I'm be back in a sec. Oh god, bro. This call, bro, lasted 40 minutes. Literally, bro. I'm still on the call. So sorry guys. So I'm still on that trade. I don't know why Trader of Fate does not really want to connect. But I'm still on a trade, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all know. As soon as I'll finish the call, I'll be back, okay? So as you guys know, one sec. Oh man, bro, the call again. One sec. I'm gonna be back. Oh, let me log into my Trader of Fate. Let me check if it'll work now. Let me check. And I'm gonna close the stop the like mute the mic again, and then I'll be back. So like, by the way, anyways, I'm still on that trade. Um, yeah, we'll see. Like by the equal range, I'll see if we can manage to get there. Like we're kind of stuck at the equal range. Ideally, you want to see a sweep at a low, so then like trade higher. But I don't want to see that. Like probably just sweep this one and keep this one protected. But yeah, that's the case for now. Hopefully we can see some sort of expansion. Wait, oh, thank God. Okay, that's good. But I don't know why it's not logging into Tradervate. Let me check if the VPN is good. Okay, all good. All right, so I'm gonna be back in like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. And I think we're gonna keep the stream on, bro, until 10 or 11. So I think we're gonna trade directly. We're not gonna pause the stream, I guess. So I'm gonna be back in a sec, okay? Let me check. It's not working, so okay. I'm still on a trade. I'll try to figure out while I'm on the call, okay? See you guys in a minute. What the fuck, bro? I've been talking for like 2 minutes. What the fuck? I've been talking for 2 minutes, bro. But I got my I got my OBS muted, bro. What the fuck? Holy shit! Can you guys hear me now? Holy fuck, man! For fuck's sake, I was talking for like 2 minutes straight. And because I asked you guys a question, I was like, there was no answer. What happened? And I was like, am I muted? I was like, yeah, I'm muted. Can you guys hear me now? For fuck's sake. Oh my god. I'm down $400, 430 for a day. Not for a day, on a account. I'm 217 and I traded Monday. I also took an L. Shit, bro. I haven't been performing, so shit. Dean is here. What's up, man? What's up? Mine's been a minute. Holy fuck, my brother is calling me. What the fuck? Oh my days. Oh my days. I'm not gonna be answering now. I'm not gonna answer now. I'm gonna answer in a minute. Ah, man. So I took two L's. I took one on Monday. I did not trade after, and then I did not trade yesterday because I had some things I had to sort out. Now I took this L. But like the only thing I saw is like this PSP now that I realized this was a PSP while I was on a call. I did not really want to manage the trade. I was just too stuck on a lower time frame. Probably I could have managed to trade better by closing it while I started range. But yeah, that's like the only thing. Or after the 30-minute candle close. CL, yeah, I was actually looking at CL long, but again, since I was on a call, I did not really was too focused to kind of, but like there was this M5 closure here with this M15 swing, if I don't remember. Yeah, this was, but like it's already expanded. Maybe like this M15 entry could have been one. But yeah, that was a good entry with like the SMT. Was this APSP? No, it was not. It was not APSP. Okay, but yeah, so there's nothing really. Let's see if this log is taken out and we're gonna see new phase of price. So far we did actually see that C2 pushing lower. We've seen the fair to manipulate, but you could have probably taken an L here if you took that 3-minute short. Maybe like if you took it to this manipulation level. Let me check the 3-minute. This level kind of swap this low. So probably try to TP here for the short. But yeah, you wouldn't have taken 2R. So yeah, let's just see. Let's just see what's up. Let's just see what's up, man. So we took that L. I gotta go ahead and review it. And also Monday. Where was that L on Monday, bro? It was this one. It was this one, literally. Took me out and then went. This was later on. I did not really catch that trade. We had this trend switch. I took this one. Got taken out. Down our CIST. Then price pushed higher. 6 a.m. inside bar high. That one and also like the gap fill. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Let me go to indices. Let me check what's up. We need incurred to take out a high. That would be like a clean SMT. That's one would be like a great SMT. It would be perfect. Spaced out SMT, bunch of fair swings, or we can just trade the expansion away from the level. Form a gap, then trade into the gap, trade the SMT fell into the lows. That would be another decent setup. Took a CEL, took an L on silver. Looked clean to me. Pretty frustration. It seems like I had a similar logic to long gold. Yep, that GCL silver long also was great. I was looking at it. I was gonna execute on it. This M5 CISD, but we got the closure on gold. So, and as you guys know, I always like the one that kind of sweeps. So. Let me play some music, man. Come on, Spotify. What? Where's Spotify? What's wrong with you, Spotify? Can you please work? Wait, is the internet working? Okay, the internet is working good. I don't get it, man. I go on Twitter and these guys are catching everything. Have you seen UV? He was a student of Garrett. Because you don't know how many L's they took before. They only post the wins, and when they do stream, they don't take as much trades as they do. They only take like one trade. They wait for like the highest probability trade. So UV did like two streams if I do remember. One stream he took an L, one stream he took a W. So, but it depends. It makes sense to me. If these guys are making 20 R per week, they would be ridiculously rich while I'm over. Um, oh, until now, the only payout I've seen is like Garrett payout for the 75K. Other than that, like I've never seen a payout from none of them. So, they do trade live. They're good, but you don't know how many L's they took before. So that's the thing. I mean, we don't really know how many L's, but they're really good. By the way, they're good. I think there's nothing really to trade here. CL has already expanded. That was a good. That was good. Hourly, 3 minute. Here was there an entry here? Not really. GC. One sec. It did actually end up playing out, so wow, it did actually push higher. So 1 second, I'm just gonna give somebody a call, trying to figure out some things, and I'll be back. But this one won't be as long. Give me 1 sec. All right, we back. There's nothing really here, so I think I might just take a break, man. I think we'll be back at 9:30. Let me just go grab something to eat. I'll pause the stream Not pause. I'll end the stream and I will be back at 9:30. Exactly 9:30. Okay. So let me just go grab something to eat. It's been like 2 hours since the start of the stream. I haven't really eaten anything yet, so let me just go grab something to eat. We're gonna be back again. Okay. So see you guys at 9:30. If you haven't joined the Discord, go ahead and join the Discord, guys, because there I'll be posting an announcement about the stream. So go ahead and do so, and see you guys in 40 minutes. Okay. See you guys in 40 minutes. So I'll end the stream now. Go grab something to eat. You guys too. Go for a walk. Do something. There's nothing really happening right now, so let me just get my body moving, and then we'll be back in a sec. Okay. See you guys. Take care.